அங்க வச்சிரு. பின்னாடி வை. Okay, can you see a whiteboard now? You can write?
Yes, we can.
Super. That's fantastic. What I'm going to do is I'm going to create some grids. Start பண்ணுங்க. இது வரைக்கும் பண்ணவங்க யாரு? ஓவியா. Next. Next யாரு? அர்ஷிதா ஏற்கனவே பண்ணிருக்குதா? டிராயிங். Shirita. Next. Where are? So are you people are interested to join this session? Hello. Prema, Ushma, Harini, Ceci. Hello. Am I audible,
What
guys?
must we do?
Our name there. How do we do that, Mani?
The task is simple. You just need to draw whatever you like. I just name each grid with your name. You need to draw first. The task one is to draw whatever you wish to. Shall I? Shall I write your names?
Yeah, please.
Okay, Prema. Who is next? Don't bother whether you are a good artist or not. There is no such as good or bad. It's just all about our going back to our childhood. Remember your scribbling. 1 year or 2 years. How we used to scribble.
How do you do that? Because we don't have access to the pen.
Yeah,
No,
it's not, we're not able to use it, Mani.
No, you will have it.
The pen is there, but I don't think we are able to write. I'm not able to write anything.
Just click on the pen. On the
Okay.
top left, you're joining from the mobile, click on the pen. Left side, you'll see a pen, right?
Yes, yes.
Yeah, click on it, select the color, whatever the color you want, whatever the width you want, you select it, and you just write, start drawing it.
Oh, yeah,
Arjun,
I'm able to do. Okay.
Arjun, Harini, are you like to join us? Ceci,
I don't see a pen.
sorry?
View option. Go to the view option.
View options, okay.
How do I
Okay, ma'am.
open the whiteboard?
Go to the view option. In the third,
View of
yeah, go
no,
on
no.
the top of the screen.
I see that Mani sir is presenting that whiteboard, but then I'm
Next
not
to it
able
is
to
written
open
view options. Next to it is written view options.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and go to the third. And
Third,
what is it?
well, I have side-by-side speakers, side-by-side gallery, swap video, and shared screen, full screen. That's all I have.
Not this one, about to that one. You are seeing
Oh,
one.
that. Oh, okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah,
now
yeah,
I
yeah.
can.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. So this is actually called Navya பேர் இருக்கு. This is our invention actually. We call it as Gurukulam Superb Drawing, OTP. So we know the OTP, right? One-time password. There's not a one-time password. Here we call it as observe, think, and play. This is our innovation. What we are going to do is each and every player, so each and every participant will be having a different grid. I see some message, ma'am. We should go to draw now. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, Sissy, please go ahead and draw whatever you want. So become a children, become a kid. You are into a nursery.
I think there isn't a block there for Adi.
Okay. No, it is a Sesi is that's the thing, right? Adi Seshi Kumar. It's the same,
Okay,
right?
okay. Okay.
Okay, I'll rename it as Adi.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank
So
you.
Adi, you can draw in that box.
Yeah. So for every drawing, we are going to give the green color tick mark, because since the childhood we've been happy seeing a green color tick mark, right? That is how we've been used to trained from our education system. So that is what we are doing it. And we are sending you an unconditional love to all your drawings. If you can see, there is a love in front of your name. For your awesome drawings, we are sending an unconditional love to you, and we are giving to you a golden star. You are the champion. You are the star performer of the day. Here you go with your golden stars. So you are waiting for Adi to start drawing. Adi, are you facing any issues? Can you find a pen in your, if you are joining from mobile, just click on the screen. On the top, on the bottom left, you can find a pen. Once you click it, you can choose the options and start drawing. If you're joining from the laptop, you can choose the options from the top. Can you see it? Yes, super.
Sir, I'm actually helping. Yeah.
Yes, yes. I can. Yes.
I got it.
Superb. That's fantastic, guys. I see almost all started, finished drawing. So that I should teach this concept to you people. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just curious to know, how are the kids doing this? Are they doing it one by one on the computer?
Yes.
Yeah.
Not on the computer, on the mobile. Actually, I have given a mobile to them.
Taking turns.
Yeah. I joined from the laptop and they are joining from the mobile.
So nice drawing.
Creative. Yeah, very creative.
Great. No?
Very different.
Daily
So nice.
we used to do this exercise.
See the drawing, all that red ponytail and all that, and the teddy bear, whatever.
Superb.
Really.
So once we are we done? So shall we start the next step? The task 1 is completed.
Yes.
Drawing.
Okay.
The task 2 is now the actual OTP will start. We are done with the superb drawing. So we call everyone's drawing is a superb drawing. So what I will be doing is I'll be disable the annotations. Now you cannot draw further because sometimes when you click on the screen, it will go like if you can see in Harini, we can see a line there. So I just erased it. So you cannot draw now. I control the drawing options. So now the another thing, the part 2 of game will start. We are going to do the OTP. OTP means observe, think and play. Here we have 2 options. One way of doing it is, for an example, Yashwant has drawn some picture. He has something in mind. And Lakshmi Prasad has something in his grid. So what we do is the entire world works on a perceptions. நம்ம என்ன நினைப்போம், நம்ம பண்றது நம்ம யோசிக்கிறத தவிர்த்து மத்தவன் என்ன யோசிக்கிறா, அவன் என்ன பேசுறா. இப்போ ஜஸ்ட் ஃபார் an எக்ஸாம்பிள், ரீசென்ட்லி நம்ம ஹரிஷ் வந்து ஸ்பைடர்மேன் பத்தி சொன்னாரு. ஸோ இனிஷியலா ஸ்பைடர்மேன் வந்து கேரக்டர் பில்ட் பண்ணும்போது வந்து he has the confidence. பட் ஆனா அவரோட அந்த ஐடியா சொல்லும் போது எல்லாரும் என்ன சொன்னாங்க, ஸ்பைடர்னா யாருக்குமே பிடிக்காது, திஸ் இஸ் ரியலி வந்து ரொம்ப வேஸ்டான ஐடியா அப்படின்னு நினைச்சார். தட் இஸ் தேர் பர்செப்ஷன். ஒவ்வொருத்தரும் ஒவ்வொரு விதமா பேசுவாங்க. அதேதான் உலகம் ஃபுல்லா இப்போ வந்து அந்த பர்செப்ஷனை கேட்டுட்டு அவர் விட்டிருந்தாருன்னா இன்னைக்கு வந்து ஸ்பைடர்மேன்ற கேரக்டரே உலகத்துல இருந்திருக்காது. ஸோ டு பிரேக் தட் பேரியர்ஸ், அதுக்காக தான் we do this exercise where each and every person, இப்போ யஷ்வந்த் வந்து லக்ஷ்மி பிரசாத் டிராயிங்க பார்த்துட்டு வாட் he is thinking என்றத அவங்க சொல்லுவாங்க. அதை பார்த்துட்டு his perception would be different from actual Lakshmi Prasad. Lakshmi Prasad will share his perception about Vishnu's drawing in one sentence. It's not about a story. Vishnu will share his perception about Navya's drawing. Navya வந்து ஷிரிதாது பத்தி, ஷிரிதா வந்து பிரேமாது பத்தி, பிரேமா வந்து உஷ்மா டிராயிங் பத்தி பேசுவாங்க, உஷ்மா வந்து கார்த்திக் டிராயிங் பத்தி பேசுவாங்க, கார்த்திக் வந்து ஹரிணி டிராயிங் பத்தி பேசுவாங்க, ஹரிணி will talk about Arjun drawing, Arjun will talk about Adi drawing, Adi will talk about Yashwant drawing. This is how the chain will happen. This is what we call it as OTP, observe, think and play. You need to observe it carefully. என்னெல்லாம் வரைஞ்சிருக்காங்க. Then think, எதுக்காக இது வரைஞ்சிருப்பாங்க, என்ன இருந்திருக்கலாம், உங்களோட perception. Don't think their perception. Your perception is entirely different from others. ஒரு விஷயத்த இந்த நிமிஷம் பார்க்கும்போது அடுத்த நிமிஷம் பார்க்கும்போது நம்மளோட பர்செப்ஷனே சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். அதே மாதிரி ஒரு மனுஷனை பார்க்கறது இன்னொரு மனுஷன் பார்க்கற பர்செப்ஷனே சேஞ்ச் ஆகும். To teach these perceptions only we play this. This is the one side of how to improve the perceptions and observation skills. That is the one art. And second one is Yashwant will start a story. This is the second kind of OTP. We'll start a story with Lakshmi Prasad's drawing. For an example, Yashwant will say something. Come on, Arambi Yashwant. Or a story. Yashwant, Lakshmi Prasad is a party. Tamil love. Tamil ellarku puriyo. Tamil love solla apdiye.
அங்க ஒரு ஏரியில பசங்க எல்லாம் அங்க ஸ்விம்மிங் அடிக்கிட்டு இருந்தாக்கா அங்க ரெண்டு செடிங்க வந்து சில்லுனா காத்து தராகிது.
Okay, so he told one sentence. The Lakshmi Prasad, what he will be doing is, actually we need to listen. Everyone has to listen the story of others telling. So Lakshmi Prasad வந்து இப்ப யஷ்வந்த் சொன்ன first line சொல்லுவா, then he will continue the second line with the Vishnu's thing. We are building a story.
Yeah, story weaving like.
Point one is the listening skills. Point two, a creative storytelling. Point three, story building, connectivity. So these are all the different skills we are going to build in them. So we'll go with the Lakshmi Prasad.
அங்க ஒரு டெடி பேர் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு.
இல்ல first Lakshmi Prasad, யஷ்வந்த் சொன்ன சொல்லு.
அங்க ஒரு தண்ணில எல்லாரும் ஈட்ட வச்சுட்டு உட்கார்ந்திருக்காங்க. அப்பா அங்க டெடி பேர் உட்கார்ந்திருக்கு.
Okay, very good. Now Vishnu.
யஷ்வந்த் சொன்னது லக்ஷ்மி பிரசாத் சொன்னது சொல்லிட்டு அப்பா நவ்யா டிராயிங்.
நாங்க அவங்க வீட்டுக்கு வந்துட்டோம்னா வீட்டுக்கு
First யஷ்வந்த் என்ன சொன்னா?
அண்ணா அங்க ஏறிக்கிறாங்க.
நான் ஏறிக்கிறேன்னா அவங்க டெடி பேர் வந்துட்டா டெடி பேர் பாட்டு வாங்குவா எட்டுங்கண்ணா.
Okay, Navya.
அண்ணா அங்க ஒரு டெடி பேர் இருந்தாக்கா
இங்கிலாந்து சொல்லு கதா ஃபுல்லா.
அங்க ஒரு தண்ணில விளையாடிட்டு இருந்தாக்கா அங்க ஒரு டெடி பேர் இருந்துச்சு. அது பின்னால ஒரு சாமி இருந்துச்சுன்னா.
Okay.
அந்த சாமினா ஒரு பொண்ணு கும்பிட்டுச்சு.
Okay, Shirita.
அங்க ஒரு ஏரியில பசங்க ஈட்டாடினா செடி வந்து சின்ன காத்தாகி அது பக்கத்துல செடி பேக்கிது அது பக்கத்துல ஒரு எலிஃபண்ட் இது எலிஃபண்ட் பக்கத்துல ஒரு டால்.
Okay, now hope you got it. Prema, would you like to? Hello.
டெடி பேர் கொடுத்த உடனே அவ வந்து அதை பார்த்துட்டு பிரமாதமா இருக்கு வாவ் அப்படின்னு சொன்னாங்க.
Okay, superb. Ushma.
Sorry, my Tamil is not that good to speak at all of that.
Okay, so hope you got the idea, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
what is
Got it.
three different concepts. So we are just, this is how we are building we are creating a new educational models to teach the skills and values, because in our education system is purely bound with the, I'll just share this image and I'll share it with you people, what you created. So see, every time we are reading a stories, what our history says, what the writers said. Here we are creating. So this is actually inspired by the Pratham Books. If you can see, Pratham Books is India's topmost NGO, especially related to the kids books. So I've been, even Prema knows, it's been almost more than 10 years since we've been working out with the Pratham Books to help the kids to improve their reading skills. I thought, why we need to read other books? Why don't we have our own stories? Why don't we have our own books? So in that inspiration, I was last year when I was thinking on those aspects, as part of my research, I come out with this own story where, why don't I create our own story? So that is how every day kids will build. Now it is a collaborative story. I'll share this picture to them individually. I'll send it to their WhatsApp. They think of their own and they will create the story, build the story using all the images. they will have their own story. They will have their collaborative story. We are going to have, right now we had almost 11 people, and I'll be having a collaborative one story, 11 different stories. Totally, I have a 12 stories every day. See how beautiful it is.
Yes,
So this is
yes.
the kind of the creativity. Everyone has the creativity. It's only matter how we are giving an opportunity to them. It's kind of a new era to the art of storytelling, and I would like to bring it to the, because in villages they'll go to various things. Whatever they see, they talk actually. That is what kids always used to do.
Correct.
So for us in city kids, if you can see whatever they see, like they can talk about a refrigerator, they can talk about buildings and all. But when you go to rural kids, when you do the same exercise, they'll talk about trees, they'll talk about cows, they'll talk about goats. That is what the difference. If you do this kind of exercises, because whatever they so that is what OTP clearly talks about. Their attitude reflects here. Got it? The same thing, the perception changes. Hope you learn the new art. Hope you find it.
Yes, very interesting. I think we also tried, but we haven't tried it with drawing. So normally we would just get a a story starter, but this is a very nice way, and you can see the creativity of the kids also, because they are drawing something very different, each one of them. So yeah, it's really wonderful what you are doing.
Yeah, another thing, we have actually puppets. So recently, since I'm doing it in a thing, so whatever I do, the entire Gurukulam, through Gurukulam, I want to teach bring back the traditional values of our nation. So the dying art of our nation, the most predominant art is a puppetry. So in fact, puppetry played a crucial role in our freedom fighting movement. Hope you are aware of all those things. Initial days, even before Gandhi's freedom fighting movement, we used to create what is motivate the people only through the puppets. Puppets are the only channel which influence people highly, but we are missing that art. So if we can see each and every one of them, we have a puppet theater here, we have puppets. So once we are done with this art, we will create a puppet theater, and through puppets we do this thing. Even we added that skill also. So these are all the various things we are doing it. So in fact, those who cannot buy the puppets, we teach actually how to make puppets through the matchboxes, papers, old wedding cards. So all the reusable materials. Even we don't use the shirt after 6 months or 1 year. Using this cloth also we create a puppet. That is how we will be doing it. So we do such kind of a things, so that we will reuse the things as well as we'll create the value out of it. That is what we are doing. That is what I wanted to share with you people. Hope you liked it. So looking forward to hear from you. Thank you guys.
Thank you very much. Arjun, Adi, Harni, would you like to share something about how this new storyboard, a different way of taking up storytelling?
Hi, sir. I don't really speak Tamil, so it was really interesting. Like, I like how you boost their creativity, and you teach them in a different way. Hello?
Thank you. Yes. We are
Harni,
hearing.
go ahead.
Yeah.
Am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Yes, you are audible.
Okay. I don't really speak Tamil, so I'll just
That's
up in
okay.
English.
That's
Yeah, what I was saying was that I like how the class, like, they always have ways to boost their creativity through like the storytelling, like on the spot, improv. Like, I thought it was very interesting.
Exactly. That is actually, in fact, a beauty over here. So you rightly pointed it. It's an on-the-spot storytelling. We will not prepare. So we'll tell it as whatever comes to our mind. That's how the perceptions, right? Perception leads this world. That's what we strongly believe. Thank you, Harni. Thank you for pointing out. Yeah.
Anybody else, children, would like to say? Any other comments? Then Harini, others?
Arjun, would you like to share something?
Yes, sir, it's a really creative idea, and actually, it's good that you bring a truly innovative and effective way. Your intention is, to make it effective, right? And I feel like this is actually a really good idea, and
Yeah.
and it actually brings people together instead of, some people will, just ignore other people's perspective, other people's creation. So your intention is to bring those people together, and I honestly like the new idea.
Exactly.
Wonderful. Wonderful.
Thank you.
Exactly.
Thank you so
And
much.
then, yeah, we think, very good. Very good comment. Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you so
Arjun,
much.
will you be ready to try doing something like this here for kids? Will you be able to conduct a session like this?
Sorry, Ushma, I didn't get you.
Yeah, I'm asking Arjun if he'll be able to conduct a storytelling session in this different way.
Sure, ma'am. It's not a
Yeah.
problem for me.
Yeah,
Okay, great.
that's fantastic. In
We
fact, I
do
use
this, Mani.
yeah. In fact, I do this in my counseling also. Being a psychologist, I used to take sessions, right? So we have a different session. Actually, I do it in my hypnotherapy and counseling and also. That's kind of a different perspective. If you want to have a look at it, I'll share those things and all. How the same technique I would be using in
Yeah.
psychology also. So I'll share those videos and all.
Okay.
Because yeah.
I'll share the email, Mani, Ushma's and mine. You can send it, and you can also give the feedback. It was a very nice, it's just a beginning for all of us. Children also have learned a lot, now they know, as you say, perspective of a rural kid. Like when you show a picture to a city kid and when you show the same picture to the rural kid, there's a lot of difference that we also learn, right? So there's a
Yes.
lot of learning. It's very good. Like, so I think we can share, and our children next sessions when they do, I think they're going to be better off and do. Now itself they've done very well. Rather, it is a beginning. And
Yeah.
one thing is they're connecting to the community, which they're doing it very passionately from the heart. So the efforts, I think we should actually, appreciate the kids who come to do the storytelling. There's time, as you say, giving time. They've given a lot of time. That's a wonderful gesture. I think they're going to be great volunteers in the future. Sure.
Definitely.
Sir,
Prem. Even yeah, if you want, we are more happy to organize a puppetry workshop for you people. How we can create a puppets using a waste materials. As I said, using a
Sure.
matchbox, using wedding cards, papers. So I can
Yeah.
arrange such kind of a session, one or two during the weekends, if you are fine, or even
Sure.
on a weekdays also. Our kids would
Sure.
be
What
more
I will do
happy.
is I'll share the email ID of Ushma and me, so we can, you can propose, and we can work with your Gurukulam, right, Ushma? We can do a lot of learning and everything together. We'll
sir,
definitely, it's a wonderful session.
Mani,
Ushma, a
sir.
few words from you. Yeah.
I think Arjun wants to ask a question.
Yes.
Yeah, Arjun,
No,
please.
no. I wanted to tell something to Mani, sir. I think it's now it's a good time to tell him.
Yes.
Like you, sir, I am also a psychology student in school.
Wow, that's fantastic. Good to know.
Yeah.
So happy to
So I
see.
guess we can build some good rapport with each other.
If you want any kind of internship, I would be more happy to. I can take it up.
If
Yeah,
sure.
please
Yeah.
let me know if you are looking for any kind of such things. I can do that one.
Sure.
So we have
Sure.
yeah,
Yeah.
because that is what I am doing it, because for cities, metros, two-tier towns, everywhere we can see psychologists, and they know the people worth of psychologists. But when you come to a rural area, when you say psychologist, they'll say mental doctor. Go ahead, get lost. That's what the taboo
Yeah.
which we
Yeah.
have in the rural
Yeah.
area.
Yeah.
To break it, we cannot say that one, but indirectly through the games and all, and that is what I'm doing it here. And through the psychology, I'm working on the zero budget treatment, how we can treat the people without budget, because in the rural areas they cannot spend health and all. So my current research topic is zero budget treatment. So if you want, I'd be more happy to help you, even in related to the subject and all. I'm purely a experiential learning person. So my specialization is a positive psychology and
Oh,
experiential learning. I'm an international trainer in experiential learning. So I can work on
okay.
both.
Okay. Sure, sure.
That's the thing. Yeah. If you are
Sure,
into
sure.
these two areas, I'm more happy to help you. Yes.
Sure, sir. I will.
Definitely, Arjun. Even in other topics also, school psychology, everywhere, employee engagement, wherever you want, rural empowerment. So I'm into
Sure,
this.
sir.
Yeah.
I'll be happy to talk to you. Sure.
Definitely. Yeah, Ushma. Yeah, please go ahead.
Okay, so thank you so much, Manisa. I mean, I think it was really a lot of learning for our kids as well. I think you're doing so much with the kids already, you know, especially with this experimental way of learning and that. So some way I feel that we have learned so much. We have gained so much from this whole program. And I'm really looking for many more sessions so we can have this interaction where we can, you know, support each other and grow and see how we can do much more for more kids.
Yes,
So
Ushma.
thank you. Yeah, and I'm really, really looking forward to it. Already you are doing so much. It's really, you know, heartwarming to know. So,
Thank you. Thank you
thank
so
you.
much for that.
Thank you so much to all the kids. Yes, thank you so much to all the kids, you know, patiently sitting over there. I don't know. I mean, it's just amazing. So
Thank
big
you.
claps to you guys. Silent claps to you.
Thank you. Thank you, class.
Thank you, Mani.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Cooking. Diwali to all of you. And thanks a lot, Ushma. Thank you, kids. A very happy Diwali. We'll do a lot more together, Mani. It was great connecting with you. We'll take up a lot of learning and knowledge sharing. We will start doing, and we'll connect and we'll see what best we can do for your kids also in the future. Okay.
Related to
Have a happy
education.
Diwali. Thank you so much.
Always there. Yeah. Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, everyone.
Happy Diwali, everyone. Bye.
Yeah.
Happy Diwali.
Bye.
Bye.
Thank you so much.
Bye. Happy
Kids,
Diwali, everyone.
Gurukulam kids, everybody. Thank you. You all did a superb job. Thank you so much. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.